Yeah, welcome everyone. Welcome. I'm so excited doing this video. I thought that KYC wouldn't come, but Sparrow Network KYC in the next 10 days quickly. Let me open and show you. Now, many of you that have not registered this Sparrow Network, I'm advising you right now. Remain 10 days left. 10 days left for KYC to start. Now do well to register. I will be keeping my I'll be dropping my link for you to register. Now use the referral link so that you will get bonus while you register. Now this is an exchange. This is an exchange. Sparrow Network is an exchange whereby we have, this is where the exchange is. When you click on it, that is where the exchange, but that exchange cannot work now because KYC has not been done. KYC has not been done. You see the exchange, we have verify supply. Now look at the supply, the verify supply. Now this is on BSC scan. That is, we're talking about 10 billion. It has not been listed. You see, your project is actually a good project. It's actually a very good project. I'm just taking us through it. Now you can deposit, you can withdraw, you can participate on all those things. Also refer. This is where I will get my referral link and then I will copy it and send to you people. Now different places here. Now guys, why I'm doing this video is so that we can join. Many people don't know that there is a network, there is a mining network like this that is very good, very good. I joined this year 8th of January. That's when I joined it, and you can still join and start mining. I've not gone far. You can still join and start mining. You can also, there is quiz at the bottom here. You can also be answering the quiz. Can also be answering the quiz. Now let's try and do the quiz. Let's see which cryptocurrency is called digital coin, Bitcoin. Digital gold, sorry, Bitcoin. Which country is known as the land of 1,000 lake? That one I don't know whether it is Finland or Norway. I don't know. Now let me choose Norway. What is the main purpose of staking in cryptocurrency? Now let me see. Yeah, that's C. And then which blood type is known as universal blood O? And then which blockchain is famous for fast and low cost transaction? That's the fast and low transaction blockchain. I think, yeah, this should be, because Ethereum is very expensive. Do is fast. Now let me see. Submit question. Now I say I answer correctly 4 out of 5 and I won points. That is how to do, and you continue winning point. Now thank you so much. That is just all for this video. I will drop the referral link, so if you log in, join also and start mining. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information.